Hello everyone, welcome to part 77 of Ecom series in Laravel 5.6 and 5.7. And in this video, once again, we will work on order view page, and this time we are going to add the payment methods. Okay, so we are going to work on two payment methods for now. One is COD, that is cash on delivery, and one is PayPal. Okay, and here we are going to display the payment method. Instead of checkboxes, we will add the radio buttons, and we will also display place order button here as well. Okay, so let's start working on part 77 of Ecom series. In part 77 of Ecom series, we will again work on order view page, and will display payment methods like COD and PayPal along with the place order button. Okay, so we are going to do this thing, and let's start straight away working on updating the files. Okay, first of all, we are going to update this order view blade file. Okay, so order view blade file we are going to update. Okay, so as we all know that this order view blade file is located at products folder under view folder. So just we need to update this file. Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to update order view blade file located at products folder under view folder, that you already know. And we will add payment form. Okay, in which we will add payment methods with radio buttons. Okay, so that user can select only one payment method at one time. Okay, because we will not allow the user to select all the payment methods. That is wrong. Okay, only one payment method the user going to select. Okay, and for that we can only use the radio buttons. Okay, so this thing we are going to do, and along with this thing we will also display place order button. Okay, so and also we are going to display place order button. Okay, these changes we are going to do in order view blade file right now, and I am going to open order view blade file, and so here I will go down and we'll see. First of all, we will put this grand total that we are calculating here in one variable, so that we can able to send this grand total in our function that we will use later on for processing the order. So what we are going to do, I am going to add this grand total variable here. Okay, like this grand total equal to total amount minus coupon amount. Okay, so like this we can display here grand total variable, and this variable we are going to use here in payment form. Okay, we can like this. Okay. Now here I am going to add the payment form. Okay, so simply I can add it here, form name, payment form. Can add like this payment form. Fine. So ID is also, we can use this one same like payment form. Okay, so after payment form, action we can now send after the order process we will do. We can make URL like place order. Okay, So that URL I'm going to write here in advance. Okay, although this we will do later on, but I am going to fill here in advance. Placeholder kind of link we are going to make. So method is always first for this form. Okay, so also don't forget to add CSRF field because it can create too much issues. We are not going to add. Okay, this. And here now first let me close the form. Here I can close the form. Okay, so let me make it clear. Yeah, now here I need to make some changes now, but first of all I will send here that grand total as a hidden field. Okay, so name I can name it like grand total, and value we can send value of grand total simply like this. Okay, so fine. Okay, after this now we are going to make changes here. First of all we will add select payment method label. Just we need to add label. I'm going to remove this thing and simply I can write it like here select payment method. Okay, payment method like this. Okay, we can do like this. Now so we can make it bold, okay, so that it will be more clear to us. Okay, so select payment method we can give like this, and after that here we need to give radio button here, so we will give radio button here in both the cases, but here also we need to update COD and uh, PayPal is fine. COD we can write here, and here we need to give the name we can give like payment method only. Okay, that is fine, payment method, and this name here as well, fine. Now after that ID of course we can give the same ID like COD, and value will also be like COD. Okay, so so here we will give like ID is PayPal. Okay, and its value is PayPal as well, like this. Okay, so here we can do like this. So people that seems to be fine, payment method. Okay, so that is fine. Now here we also need to give the button we will give first refresh and see the changes are appearing or not. Okay, so check here, select payment method, COD and PayPal are coming now, fine. And we will also, we can make both the options like bold so that it's visible. You can do it in CSS as well. Okay, so strong here as well in PayPal. Okay, so now see here, now it will be fine. COD and PayPal, now it will be more clear. Yeah, select payment method, COD PayPal, and here somewhere we need to add button, place order button. Okay, so for place order button, one more we will add the span, like same kind of thing we will add here as well. Okay, so here we need to add the button itself here. Okay, so label also not required, so we can add button here. We can see that which kind of button we have added in checkout blade file, and similar kind of button here as well we can add. Okay, so see this, we can add this button like this, and here it will come like placeholder. Okay, but we need to shift this button to right side, so we can add like this float right. but you can do all this in your CSS file. Okay, adding new class in CSS and write this code plot right, that is the better option to do. I'm just doing for saving the time like this, but you can do it in a better way. Okay, so this is the place order button. We can able to give, see, the button has also appeared, place order button here, but we will give some style to it as well. We have seen that we are having class one class, our template is providing us, that is checkout class. Okay, that same class we can give here, and we'll see that it will come or not. No, it is not coming. Might be it is not working here. Okay, no issue. You can add your own class. If you want to update the button, then you can add your own class as well. Okay, otherwise we can go in detail page as well and can see that which kind of button is there in detail page. Sorry, we have not provided the link here. Only we need to go like this, and we can check once again that which kind of button is it in detail page. Such a kind of button. Okay, such a kind of button, but that also will come here. Okay, no issue. You can create your own button, but right now we have done like this: COD, PayPal, and placeholder. Okay, so now we will add one condition that if the person will click on placeholder, then but without selecting any of the payment method, then the error message will come, alert will come that please select payment method. Okay, so this thing we will do now. Okay, so now you have seen in video that both payment methods appears. Now along with place on the button. Okay, now in second thing we are going to update main.js file. Okay, now update main.js file locator at path we are going to see public js content js here. Okay, at okay, so and we will add function. We will add you can say we will add select payment method function. Okay, to alert the user if payment method is not selected. Okay, such a kind of function we are going to add in that main.js file so that user can be intimated in case he is not going to select any payment method. Okay, so first of all, one minor thing you need to do here, you need to add one on-click event, and there are many ways to do it. You can do it simply with jQuery as well by giving one ID and then on click event. You can do it like this as well. So there are many ways to do. You can select your own way, and this time I am doing like this. So I am going to add this function select payment method that we have given like this. We can add it here, and now this is the function name that we are going to use. Okay, I am going to open main.js file. Here at the bottom, I am going to add this function. First of all, I am going to add here first see where it is starting, so that we will come to know that where to add this function. Yeah, we can add after this one, not an issue. Here we can add straight away because it is just JS file, so we can add the function like this. Okay, first of all, what we can do to check that actually it is working fine or not, and then I'm going to add return false, so that I want to first check that the function works or not at the time of place order. Okay, so let's see. Yes, it's working fine. So we can write our code, and now first of all, uh, we are going to check if this COD button is selected or not. Okay, as first button we have given COD, or we can even check PayPal. It's our wish. So, we can check one by one button at a time. Okay, so let's do it. See here, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add some uh, now jQuery script. Okay, so I will first check whatever you want. Will first check PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to take ID of PayPal. I can do like this straight away. If PayPal is checked, okay, I want to alert checked. Okay, I'm doing just to see that whether it works or not. First, I'm going to click on place order. Nothing is happening after clicking on place order. Okay, so see, it is straight away. To see, oh, sorry, that, yeah. Here now nothing is happening. Now I click here. See checked. Okay, so like this we are going to check that PayPal option. Okay, so here I'm going to add else as well, and here in alert it will come like not checked. Okay, it's okay. So we are going to see place order not checked, so it is fine. And now I'm going to do something. Let's see here as well. I'm going to end operator. I'm going to check this one, and I'm going to yeah, or because one of the options was me to do, or here it will come like COD. COD is the ID, means if one of the uh, one of the field is checked, one of the payment method is checked, then it will display like checked. Okay, so now I'm going to try. See, not checked. It is coming fine. Not checked. Fine. I checked one. Checked. Okay. Fine. Now I checked another one. PayPal. Checked. Fine. Okay. Now it is working fine. See if none of them are checked, then not checked. So now it is working fine. So in case of checked, we will not do anything. And but in case of not checked, here return false is not required. Yeah, return false is required here in case of not checked. Okay, so here what we will display the correct message. See, please select the payment method. Okay, please select payment method. Okay, so now we are going to check once again. See, we simply added this function. Now we can check again that if we will not select any payment method, then what it is going to do. See, please select payment method. Okay, so we need to select one of the payment method, only then it will work. Okay, so if we will select one, then it will go to 404 page, because we have still not added place order URL. Okay, so now we are going to add place order URL as well, and we'll add its function as well. Okay, so that we can reach further. Okay, so let's do that thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create route now. Okay, so now create a place order. Sorry, now create get post route for place order in web.php. Okay, so we can add it like route match. Okay, so here we are going to add the link place order, then it will be closed, then ProductsController at the rate of place order. Okay, so this is the route we are going to add in web.php file for place order. We can add simple channel where we have added another route like checkout. Can search here order view. After order view, we can place order. Okay, fine. And this route we have added. Now we will add this function that we have defined in route. Okay, so now we are going to create this function. Create function in ProductsController, and get and print the form data in post method. Okay, whatever we are going to pass, first we are going to print that, so that we need to make sure that everything, our data is going correctly. Okay, so data means that thing, payment method, and amount, grand total amount we are going to send. Okay, so sending grand total, and payment for now. Okay, we will also send coupon code and coupon amount later on. Okay, so right now two things we are sending, just we need to get these two things. Okay, so here we are going to add public function. Okay, place order. Now this time we are sending some form, so this thing is required. Okay, so here first we are going to check that it is coming from the post method. Let's see this. We are going to display. Okay, so now we are going to check that our data is going fine or not. Here, oh, there is one issue. Oh, yes, something here we are missed to this one and here as well. Okay, so we can refresh once again, and now we will select one payment method because otherwise it will not allow. So we are going to select COD, and now I'm going to click on place order. See, 3900 grand total amount is going. Token is going that we are not going to use. Grand total we are going to use 3900 and along with payment method, that is COD. And if in case we select PayPal, then click on place order, then see what it will happen. 3900 amount, that same amount is going, and payment method like PayPal is going. Okay, so now it is working fine up till this thing. We able to add payment methods and button, and able to send the amount and payment method to our another function for the processing. So now you have seen in video, we able to select payment method and place order button brings us to place order function where we will do order processing. So in next video we will start working on order processing, and we'll create two tables, two orders tables. Okay, two order tables, orders and orders underscore products. Okay, in which we will insert all order data. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I hope everything is clear to you up till this part, and you also able to do this one correctly. And next video we are going to process our order. We are going to add tables where we are going to insert our order details. Okay, so after that, thanks page will appear if our order is successful. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.